Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Post multiple haul videos, all different stores, all different the deals, sales, viral stuff I need, all that. So if you like shopping and all that, definitely hit that subscribe button down there because you don't want to miss my videos. So today, or this video, is going to be a multi-store for this week Dollar Tree haul. So if you see different hairstyles, different items, clothes, it's because this is this couple days worth of shopping. So this is today's haul, which I got some pretty good finds for going to 2 stores, so not bad. But grab a snack, grab a drink, let's get into this video. So the first thing I got is just this photo album because I'm putting my pictures of my cat that I printed out in here. So random, but yeah. Then I got this this LED blue nightlight. I'm kind of interested because I have a Dollar Tree nightlight in right now, but I want to try this blue one. So we got that, and it just plugs in. So we got that. Random, but again. Then got 2 new of the hand sanitizers with the little keychain. We got the little Squishmallows. I love the keychain. Like, are we kidding? So we have this one. And then we have Mr. Spider-Man on the keychain. I love the keychain feature. Love it. So, got those. Then, these are my all-time favorite pens from Dollar Tree. Literally my favorite ones. So, these are the only ones that I found, so I snagged them because I love these pens. Then this is an oldie, but I needed a restock because this weather has me literally dying. So I'm going to put this in the fridge so I can like put my moisturizer on with this, but it's just the ice roller and it's like the big one. So got her, she's an oldie. Then I know this collection is old, but I don't remember seeing this Fabulous blush like in this glittery pink. I don't remember this. So I got her because she's so cute. So I got her. Then another oldie, I remember this collection, but I never got the red one, and it definitely is a, what's it, Selena Gomez Rare Beauty dupe, so I got the red lip gloss. Then, I think this was a repeat forever ago, but I never remember seeing it. It's the Sweet Lips Sweet Pineapple Scented Lip Balm in the shape of like a pineapple, like how adorable. So I got her. And then these bear ones, I remember when they came out, but I never snagged it. This is the mixed berry. So, but the last couple things for this first part is definitely new. Disney Princess Lip Balm. And this is Cinderella, and it's coconut and vanilla scented. Like, how adorable. And I love the scents. So we got this one, Cinderella. Then we got Belle. And she is, it doesn't say a scent on here. So I'm not sure what scent Belle is. But how cute is that? So we got her. Then, are we kidding me? This is Hydrating Lip Balm Raspberry and Vanilla. And little Dory and Ariel. Like, are we kidding? How freaking, not Dory. But the fish. So, yeah, that was just today's haul. So, okay, day 2 of Dollar Tree. I went to 2 Dollar Trees. Really didn't score, but some new stuff though. You'll see. So, first off, I have this Cozy Place candle. Room filling fragrance, Cozy Place grapefruit and sweet orange. I actually love the scent of this. And this is a huge candle. So, yes, we got her, and I love the color. It's so pretty. So, we got her. Then, speaking of candles, their Halloween stuff is starting to come out. This is the LED pillar candle, and how cute is this? Like, for Halloween, it's like the drippy effect, and it's black, and it is LED, obviously. So, I'm obsessed with this. So, we got her. Then, I got these scented pens, the Centos scented pens. Grape, blueberry, wait, what is it? Grape, blueberry, sour apple? think that's what it is. Yeah, so these scents, I love scented pens, I really do. Then I got more of the ramen sticky notes. I just think these are literally the cutest freaking thing. And I'm a avid, whatever the word is, note taker. Like, literally, how cute is this? So I got another pack of those. Then I saw this, and I was pretty stoked about this. For $1.25, it's a USB-A and USB-C adapter. So you get a USB-C input and a USB-A. So I've never seen this at DT before for like a 2-pack, you know what I mean? And this is essential. I have a MacBook, so like this will go in there and I can do whatever. I just think this is essential and amazing, so got that. Then this is my favorite literal makeup product from Dollar Tree. It's just the Be Pure Rose Oil from clear to your unique lip color. Obsessed with this. Had to get another one. Then we got some new stuff. So now I got the Moana. I think this is the last part of the Disney collection. So this is the Moana lip balm, and it's vanilla and coconut. Like, how freaking adorable. So we got that one. Then we got the 2-pack lip balm, cherry and strawberry. And look how cute the little piggy is. We got that one. And then we got the Disney Princess lip gloss, and it does not tell me a scent. So, but it's this one. So this is everything Moana. So, yeah. Got new stuff. Not a lot, but hey. Let's see what the rest of this week brings us. But that is all from today's finds. Hopefully I get more of my list accomplished. Let's go. Okay, we're back. Day 3 of this haul. I went to 2 dollar stores. These two mostly are my favorites, but they really did not have much of anything new at all. So I don't know what is up with the Dollar Trees lately. Like, no one has had anything new. Like, maybe like 2 or 3 new items, but that's it. So all these TikTok and YouTube videos I watch, I'm like, where they're at my stores. But anyway, do have some stuff, so we'll show it. So first off, I got this little, what are they called? LED pillar candles, and I thought this was going to be $1.50. It's not. These are still $1.25. But how cute are these? And I'm going to pull this out. How cute are these? Watch it not turn on. Like, how adorable. Like, I love it. So I got her to match my other ones. Then, the hand sanitizers with the keychains. I got the red Spider-Man because I love that, and then the yellow Crayola because these two I did not have, and now I do. So I got those. Speaking of sanitizers, I have 3 sanitizers, 3 glitter ones with no case. So luckily today all I found were cases. So I got 3 blue glitter cases to finish off my hand sanitizer. So now I'm even. That makes sense. Now every glitter case has a sanitizer holder. You know. Okay, then, so I got these shoe charms to go on my Walmart Duke Vogue bag. So I'm assuming these will fit on there in the holes. So we got this set. Then I got this set. And then I got this set. So I got these for my Vogue bag. We're gonna see if it works. I'm gonna try it tonight and upload a picture at the end of this if it works. So we'll see. Then I got another set of these USB-A and USB-C adapters because I still cannot believe these are $1.25. So I got these for my travel bag, actually. Then I did find with the glitter hand sanitizers, the OG little sanitizers. I haven't seen the watermelon one in forever, and this is one of my favorite scents, so I got a restock of just her, and that was it. Then got this new notebook. Like, how cute is she? So it just says good vibes, OMG, cool, cool, cool. And I'm just like obsessed with like the little cover of it. And then, you know, just a simple notebook, but I just love the cover. So we got her. Then I got this book. The Whole Body Reset, your weight loss plan for a flat belly, optimum health, and a body you'll love at midlife and beyond. Stop age-related weight gain with the power of protein timing. And this retailed for $32.50. So we shall see. But anytime I see a health book, I honestly buy it. Okay, then this is new. Look how cute this little clipboard is. Like, I love this for note taking, grocery notes, journaling, whatever. I love this, and they had so many colors. I'm probably gonna get the rest of the colors because I just love this. So I got her. Then super random, but whenever I see these brow stencils, I grab them because they're like a rare find anymore. But I got these eyebrow stencils. I do like these, so random. Then we got the Revive beauty blenders, and you get 3. Oh, wrong side. And you get 3 in here. So we're gonna see. I can see through the paper. So we get this blue one. Then we get this purple like shaped one, and then the yellow one. So these are the 3 blenders. So we got those. Okay, then I picked up another Moana little lip balm set. I love that it's cherry scented, or not. No, it's not. What is it? Yeah, cherry and strawberry. I feel like we never really get to see cherry as much as we do like strawberry, whatever. And so I do want to see what they smell like. So this one, it doesn't say which is which, so. Okay, this might be cherry. Let's try it on our lip. Okay, that is moisturizing. And then let's see what one Moana. I cannot tell the difference. They both smell literally the same to me, so maybe that's just me. Please let me know down below which is cherry and which is strawberry, because I cannot tell. So, then I've seen this all over TikTok. Finally, at least one new thing I saw. So by Gopa Beauty Care, it's the Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Eye Cream, and it's the hydrating. So we've seen this collection before, but it's the packaging that they changed on us. So this is the new packaging of it. So we got the hydrating eye cream. Then we got the calming nighttime recovery eye cream. So this is the calming. And this is the lavender and melatonin. Let's see if I can open it. So yeah, this is the calming eye cream. So we have the calming and soothing eye cream. Then the last thing, which honestly probably what I'm most excited about, is the calming nighttime recovery facial serum with lavender, melatonin, and aloe. So let's open her. So yeah, I'm assuming they're just like revamping the packaging. So we shall see. Oh yeah, I love this. Like, look how cute that is. So this is the calming eye cream. So, facial serum. So that is what I got today. But that officially completes my 4-day multiple store Dollar Tree weekly haul. Didn't find a lot of new stuff, but hopefully next week will be better. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys are hunt for, what I should be hunting for, and definitely subscribe and share the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.